subscribers, it's your girl Brittany Janelle. I am back with another video. So by the title of this vlog, y'all, I actually have some, well, kind of like some errands and stuff that I have to run. So it's gonna be my first spend the day with me. It's Saturday, March 13th, and it's 8:22. Y'all, I've been up, I think, since maybe like 6:45, y'all.
Oh my God!
If any of my subscribers wake up early like I do on weekends, sometimes it kind of annoys me because sometimes I do want to sleep in, but y'all, I really think my body is so used to waking up early in the morning. So I'm like, hey, might as well get up, get my day started. It's kind of like gloomy here again today. I know I said that yesterday in my workout video, so that'll actually be posted a little later on today. So when it's posted, make sure you go check that out. So if I have anyone new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, especially if you want to see more of Spend the Day with me. And so I'm about to get ready and, you know, look like someone, and I'll check back in with you guys later. Okay, y'all, so I am back. It is literally like 2 hours later, y'all. It's 10:33. Like, it literally takes me like 2 hours to get ready, but I just kind of just threw on like this scrambling sweatshirt. Actually, when my dad was in college, him and my parents are both alumni of the Grambling State University, but that's where they actually met. And this is a long time ago. He had gave me one of his sweatshirts from college, so I just have that on today. And we actually, it's game day today, so we actually play Prairie View today. So hopefully, I'm pretty sure we're gonna win. But yeah, so I just got that on, and then just like some little black little leggings. I still ain't figured out like what shoes I want to wear, but like I said, look like, as I've been checking the forecast, I think it's supposed to be like 70, raining 70% at 11, and I have some slides. I don't know, so I have some slides that I want to put on because I don't know, I'm the type, anytime I have I always have polish on my toes. Like I always get my nails and toes done. So I kind of want to put on some sandals, but I'm like, what if it rains? But then I was thinking of maybe putting like some Forces on, and I'm like, I don't like, whenever I'm wearing anything white, I don't never want it to get dirty. But I think I'll probably just put on some slides. So my first stop, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so I think I'm probably gonna go to Bath and Body Works because where my old apartment used to be, they have a shopping center across from there, and they have Bath and Body Works, and plus I gotta go to the hair store anyway. So I think I'm gonna knock those two out because that's kind of, either way regardless, I'm going on opposite sides. So yeah, so I will see you guys when I get to Bath and Body Works. Okay, y'all, so I have finally made it over to Bath and Body Works, y'all. It's 11:32. Like, I'm the type of person, one, I can't never be on time. So yeah, so I'm about to go into Bath and Body Works. I don't know if I can film inside because one of these other girls from college that I also follow her on her vlog, and she had like a spend the day with me, and it was like before she had walked in, they had told her like she couldn't film. I don't know, but she lives in Dallas, so I don't know, so maybe it's just different here. So y'all, in Texas, you know, maybe like 2 weeks ago, our crazy governor decides to lift the mask mandates, but oh baby, I ain't playing. I'm still gonna be wearing my mask, and hopefully just other people do as well. So if I can film something inside, which I probably will try it, I'm pretty sure you guys will see it. Yeah, I don't know, like I kind of need to get a few things from Ulta. Like I really don't need to be honest, but it's literally like 2 minutes away from Bath and Body Works. I don't know, y'all. I don't know, it just depends. And then the thing about it, I should have listened to my first instinct, and I really should have created a list for Bath and Body Works. I know I need candles, that's the one. I think I need some body wash, I believe. To be honest, y'all, I really don't know. Something had told me at least yesterday that I should have made a list, but your girl didn't. But I think after this, I'll probably go to the hair store real quick. I probably won't vlog that one. I mean, because I really just need like some edge control gel and like a little, like a brush to go with this. I probably won't vlog that, but I also need to go to Sam's because I need some water. I'm thinking I most likely I'll probably cook tonight. I was thinking about getting some seafood, but I was like, you know what? I might as well just cook. I've really been enjoying cooking ever since we've really been in this pandemic, especially since I'm at home majority of the time. So yeah, so if I don't see you guys after this, I'll probably see you guys when I'm at Sam's. Okay y'all, so I just finished at Bath and Body Works. Only thing I really got was some candles, because like the 3-wick candles that I really like, they were $10 off, which was like really good. And then I needed like some room sprays, and they had like 3 for $20. To me, they really didn't have like a sale today, I guess. So I think what I'm going to try, I have to go to the Round Rock outlets because I was going to get something for my dad, and they have a Bath and Body Works over there. So I think most likely I'm gonna go over there because they always have like a sale. So I'm probably finna run to the hair store real quick because the hair store that I like, it's kind of over this way anyways, and then I'll probably go to Sam's, and then I think what I'm probably going to do is, one of my friends, she has a baby girl. I think she's maybe like 2 months old, I think. So I was like, you know what, this is an excuse, y'all, to go to Target. So I think I'm probably gonna go to Target because the Sam's that I go to, Target is like right across the street. I think I'm gonna probably go over there after Sam's and, you know, look for her baby some cute little things. So I will see y'all most likely when I get to Sam's, because the hair store is gonna be like in and out. Well, we're guessing and we're hoping. I'm kind of on a time limit, not really too much. I'm trying to see, Grandma plays at 3 o'clock. They play preview, and last week me and my family, we were able to watch them on YouTube whenever they had their home game, but that was their home game, and today they're playing in Dallas. So I don't know. So I'm trying to get myself to 3 to kind of be done with my errands, but I'm hoping that I could be able to watch the game. So there's that. So most likely I'll see y'all when I go to Sam's. Okay y'all, so I have made it to Sam's. The only thing I really need to get is some water, and I'm probably gonna cook some crab legs tonight, so I'm probably gonna get that. Y'all be so funny, people, whenever they see my camera, they be like, are you vlogging? I'm like, yeah. I just always think that's so funny. I just finished getting the things that I needed to get at Sam's. Y'all, normally when I go to Sam's, my brother normally comes with me, but this Sam's that I went to, of course, is not where he is, basically. So I ended up getting like 2 cases of water because that's what he mainly helps me with. The only thing that is bad, like just my nails, that's the only reason why it makes it harder. But so I'm trying to debate if I'm going to go to Target now. I'm really hungry, to be honest. Like, I haven't ate at all, and it's 1:19. So I'm really trying to debate. I'm thinking I may go get me something to eat now, but it'll probably just be something that I'll just bring home with me. I'm thinking about getting some velvet tacos. So if any of my subscribers live in Austin, you know about velvet taco. It's really good. I probably just go and just get it to go, because the Round Rock outlets is literally, they're like on opposite ends. So I think I'm gonna probably go get that, and then I'll probably go to, I don't know yet. Like, I haven't figured it out if I'm gonna go to Target or if I'm gonna go to the outlets yet. I may just see if they're, like, whenever I go to Velvet Taco or something, if they have something like a Target close by over there, because the Velvet Taco that I go to, that I'm more closer to right now, is the one in the Domain. So I think I'm gonna just look that up. So whatever I decide, I will see you when I get there. Okay, y'all, so I just finished shopping at Target. Y'all, I went crazy, okay? I ended up spending like $239. but it was good. I ended up getting my friend a lot of clothes for her baby, so I was like, cool, I'm good with that. I also ended up getting like some more sleepwear as well, and then they had like some graphic tees that were like maybe like $13, I think. Y'all, they had one, I'm gonna show it when I get home. They had one of my idol, I'll let y'all subscribers know, Miss Mary J. Blige. Y'all, I love Mary. Like I said, I had like a whole 90s playlist, and I had talked about that, how like I love Mary J. Blige, but freaking YouTube talking about some copyright statements, so I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I ain't record that video and do it for no reason. So hopefully I can be able to post that one. I don't think I'm gonna go to Velvet Taco. I'm like, you know what, I mean it's like 2:45, so, but I am gonna go to the Round Rock Outlets real quick to get my dad something, and then most likely I'll probably end up heading home. And yeah, so hopefully you've been enjoying this different vlog, just of course, you know, just spending the day with me. So I will see you guys when it gets out. So as y'all can see, I am back at home. I ended up just going to Jockey. I ended up getting my dad just some things from there. I didn't go to Bath and Body Works at the Round Rock Outlets because they had a line and I really just didn't feel like waiting, y'all. So I'm most likely gonna be home for the rest of the day. It's 4:38. I was trying to find the Gremlin and PV game, but I've had no luck. So I'm gonna still see what I can do. So in the meantime, I'll probably do some homework. Probably won't show you guys. I'm pretty sure you probably don't want to see that because I don't feel like doing it, but I have no choice. So y'all, actually this semester is going to be ending next month. Y'all, when I say it's going by so fast, so I still can't believe it. Like I'll be almost done with my second year of my PhD program. So yeah, and then so I'll probably check back in with you guys later, probably once I start cooking my food with my crab legs. So I'm so excited. Y'all know I love me some seafood, so I'll check back in with you guys a little later. Okay y'all, so I finished my homework and stuff. Y'all excuse me, I snatched my wig off, okay, earlier, as soon as I got home. But yeah, but I am done with my homework and stuff, and then I got my seafood going right now. Y'all know I love me some seafood, so if you haven't checked out the seafood one where I did, I think at the beginning, I think this was like earlier, I had posted about, well this was like a couple of months back, I had posted about, I think it was in like November, I had posted, you know, like my little cooking with me video, and I had did some crab legs and stuff. So if you ain't checked out that video, make sure you go check it out. So y'all, like I said, I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the night besides just watch some TV. I got my homework done. I'm just chilling at home, and I hope you enjoyed this spend the day with me. I'm gonna probably do some more as I go along, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and just also just comment if you want me to do more spend the days with me. So as usual, I love you guys so much. I hope everyone is just having a wonderful day, wonderful week, and I just love my subscribers. So, mwah. See you in my next vlog. Bye.